this program different in your opinion?
I think this is a fair and perfect competition, if I may say that one, because the perfect is maybe 100%, but 99% you are perfect. Why? Because this is a good best practice in competition spirit. So we can learn from each others. So we can share our experience. But with this competition, I have some key takeaways. So I can share to the top leaders. So this is what happened in maybe in Saudi. This is what happened, and so we can maybe some good thing we can implement. Vice versa.